Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title of today's video, I will be showing you how you can create your own KDP covers in Canva, but I am also going to show you where you can download the KDP cover template. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Google and search for KDP cover template. And you're going to select the first result at the top that you see. And you're going to see a little book information box, and you're just going to fill out the field forms to generate that template. So let's do this together. So I'm just going to select some stuff. However, when you are doing this for your book, select the right information. So they ask for the binding type. I'm just going to select paperback. For the interior type, I'm just going to select black and white. For the paper type, I'm going to select white paper. For the page turn, I'm just going to do right to left. I don't know, right to left. For the measurements and units, I'm just going to put that in inches. For the interior size, so this is one of the most important parts when you're filling out this information. You need to ensure that you select the right measurements for the interior. So most persons, when they're creating their KDP covers or anything to publish on KDP, they often use 6 by 9, 6.69 by 6 by 9 by 9.61 inches, and 8 by 10. Now just browse through and select the one most suitable for your need. And if it is not there, you can actually customize the trim size. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to select a 6 by 9 inch, and you're going to ask to select the number of pages, and I'm just going to put 100 and then select enter, then select calculate dimensions. Once you do that, it's going to give you a preview of the template, and then right here just select download template. And then you're just going to extract the files because it's in a zip folder, so just extract the files. Okay, so let me pull this up. So when you extract the file, you should get two versions. You're going to get a PDF version and you're going to get a PNG version. So let's see how this looks. So this is how the book template looks. Let me zoom out a bit so you can see the full size. So this is how it looks. Okay, so for this tutorial, we're going to use the PNG version, not the PDF, but the PNG version, so we can upload it into Canva. So you're going to log into your Canva account. Or before you log into your Canva account, let me show you something. So we're going to focus on the section that says the overall dimension, which is 6.475 by 9.250. That is the size that we're going to customize the dimensions to when we go into Canva. Remember that the 6 by 9 is actually the interior, the pages. So to get the cover, you're going to focus on this aspect that says overall dimensions. So we're just going to go into Canva and we're going to select custom size, and we're going to change this from pixels to inches because the dimensions on the template is in inches. So that is 12.475. So we're going to put 12.475. Then for the height, so let's see what the height was again. 9.250. 9.250, and then you just select create new design. and you should arrive to your design space. Now this is the next important step. You're going to go to uploads and you're going to select upload media, and you're going to select the PNG template that you downloaded from the KDP cover. So you're just going to select the PNG version, and it's just going to automatically upload into Canva. Depending on your internet speed, it might take a while to upload into Canva. And once it is uploaded into Canva, you're just going to select it to add it to your design space. Now we're going to select it and we're going to stretch the sides so that it covers this entire portion of our design page. So pull on the sides, on the corners, and not the sides, because if you were to pull on the sides, it is going to crop the template and you will not get a accurate cover. So select it and pull from the sides to cover the entire page. Now this is another important thing to take note of. You can only design the white spaces on the template. Where you see those pink lines, those pink borders, that means you cannot design on those areas, or else your cover templates will or as your cover, will not be uploaded on Amazon KDP. So please note that you can only design within those white spaces, within the pink borders. If you design outside or on those borders, you will not be able to upload your cover onto Amazon KDP. Now let's just look at some of the instructions that's on the template. So right here where you see this yellow box, I leave this empty. This is where the barcode for your book will be placed and stuff like that. So just read the template before you start your design. Okay, so what some person do is they select R on their keyboard for a rectangle and they cover the entire portion of the template and they change it to their desired book cover, and then they turn the transparency down so you can see the template behind the rectangle. So there's also one thing that you can also do, which is where you see this white space between this is actually the spine. Where you see that white space, you can actually add text. As I said earlier, you can only design the white spaces of the template. So after you've get the color rectangle that you want and you cover the entire space and turn the transparency down, just lock it for the time being so you don't move it by accident. So I'm just going to select T on my keyboard to get a text box, and I'm just going to type soft life, and I'm going to stretch this out, and I'm going to change the font to holiday. I'm just going to put this somewhere about right here. Then I'm going to type then I'm going to select T again for another text box, and I'm going to put journal, and I'm going to put this in all caps, and I am going to change the font to Poppins, and then I am going to change the color to white, and I'm going to go to effects and select a leaf and bring it up a bit like that. Then I'm just going to position it right here, and I'm going to add some space between the letters. I think this is okay. And to see how this looks with the original color, just select the rectangle that you turn the transparency down for and unlock the element, and turn the transparency up so you can see how it looks on the actual color. Okay, then I'm just going to get some images. I think I have these images saved to my favorites. No. Okay, so I don't have them saved. All right, so I'm just going to scroll up and I'm just going to copy the images and I'm just going to paste them right here because I do not remember where. Okay, so I'm just going to select the images individually and go to this little icon to see the name of the images in case you want to use them. So it's actually, so the images are called block lady illustration. So let's go to element just to show you guys how to find them. Block lady illustration. And go to graphics. And guys, if you are going to use any of these illustrations in Canva, ensure that you edit them. So these were not the original colors of these images. I actually changed the colors. So you cannot just use the images or graphics in Canva as is. You have to make some form of edits or alterations to the design to avoid any copyright issues. So yes, if you scroll through, so this is this one, and I think, let me see if I can find this one. So you realize that I actually changed the colors drastically. Let me see. So I'm not really seeing this one. And guys, if you're using the free account in Canva, you will not be able to use some of these illustrations that has the crowns on them. So be mindful of that. Yes. So to change the colors, once you add them to your screen, just select the color and you should see these color boxes appear at the top left of your page. Just select the colors individually and change them to your desired colors. Now guys, you realize that, so I'm just going to shrink this down a bit because it is on the section where the barcode is to be added. So I'm just going to group them and I'm just going to bring it up some more. So I'm just going to bring the text up somewhere as well so we have more room for this. Okay, so guys, you realize that the ends of the images are very sharp and blunt. Now a little trick to kind of blend out these sharp edges in Canva, go to elements and search for blur, and you're going to use this airbrush like element and you're going to change it to the color of your rectangle, the color of the book cover. So this is the color that I used, and you're just going to copy and paste it until you cannot see the blunt edges of the photo. So don't overdo it, just do it enough where they are not that visible. Okay, so I'm just going to do some like on the black part because you know black is not really easy to cover. And then you can add your name at the bottom. So I'm just going to type my name just for the purpose of this tutorial. and I'm going to change it to white. Oh, I'm going to put created by. And guys, you do not have to add your name if you do not want to. And you can put it at the bottom of your screen. Then you're going to select the rectangle and unlock it. Then you're going to turn the transparency up to 100. Just this, and just like that, you have your cover. So then you're going to crop the rectangle over a bit, like so, and you're going to select the template and you're just going to delete it. And you're going to delete, you can delete the rectangle like this, and then just select the white and add it to the, and use the color that you used. Or you can keep the rectangle and just cover the remaining portion, and this is how the cover will look. And then you just select share at the top right of your screen, then select download. And depending, I think I don't remember if you should use if you're going to upload it as a PDF, use PDF standard, or if you're going to use a PNG, use PNG, and just select download. Now if you have more than one page is created, you can download all the pages, all the covers at once. But if you just want one specific design cover, you select the page of that design and select done, and then you select download, and it should save automatically to your device. Now these are just some mock-ups that I did for the cover to show you guys how it would look, and they look pretty good in my opinion. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content. Don't forget to share this with somebody who you think might benefit from this content. And again, don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to see if I can hit 1,000 or probably 800 subscribers before the year ends. So help me get to that journey. So until next time, stay safe and stay blessed.